For 48 years, we've powered the paper napkin industry. From concept to creation, we lead the way. Our commitment to quality is unmatched. Every napkin tells a story of excellence. Join us as we continue to innovate and inspire. This is our multicolor printing paper napkin machine. We have named it after the god Vishwakarma, who is the architect of the world itself. What you see is CMYK type flexographic printing upon paper napkins. This machine has a configuration of 5 colors. It has a web aligner and a dedicated panel for controlling the printing. You can already see how premium the product looks and the sharpness of printing on a material like tissue napkin. For reliable and durable machines, feel free to contact us.